Sound check, 1, 2. Good evening, everybody. It's a late stream, I understand. Okay, so without spending too much time, we are going to start with, as usual, the economic calendar. So it's another CPI week, but nothing much on the Monday and Tuesday. But on the Wednesday onwards, we have a CPI. Okay, and also we have Thursday and Friday PPI and UOM. So most likely it's going to be trade after Wednesday night. Okay, otherwise for the rest of the Monday and Tuesday, I don't think there is much volatility from my own perspective, and I try to avoid it because it could be just consolidating for these 2 days. Then we have the Wednesday manipulation, then we see how we can get any distribution of the post CPI. Okay, let me share with the premium members. Economic calendars for the it's CPI week. Okay, so from my perspective, from the dollar index, okay, so the from dollar index, right, I expecting the price could have some sort of retracement. Overall it's still bearish, no doubt, because where the price react from here, it did sweep the low and reacted bullish. In the end, tried to continue bearish as well. So within this time frame, we have this previous month high and the previous month low. So we have this previous month low tap in and reacted bullish, sweeping off this low, and based on the discount and premium array, we are most likely we are expecting the uh, discount zone right here, and then react, looking for price to retest. And there is so much of no manipulation being done above this high. Potentially I'm looking for the high to be taken out to continue bearish, but despite how close is the price from here to here, it's about 141 pips. So from this point of view, it could be just a continuation pump for the rest of 2 days, I don't know. So I hopefully we are seeing some bullish momentum retracement, tap into this monthly fair value gap, and then start to show us some respect of the premium levels of the monthly fair value gap, to then continue lower to take out another swing high, swing low. So my bias is going to be a short-term bullish on the dollar, and going to be retracing, and also the reason being is we tap into this previous monthly low, and then once the price break above this, then we will see some retracement. The first target going to be this high as no top week, and this and this. Okay, the reason being why this swing high then continue bearish is because we hit the monthly fair value gap. So we are looking, the bearish monthly fair value gap will be the next target, but the daily no top week swing high will be the first target, then the monthly. Let me edit this. Okay, moving on next. The reason being why the daily no top week is the key thing is because the price, wherever the price did not have any top or the bottom wick, which means the price did not have any manipulation above it or below it. So side note, overall is still bearish, okay, but due to the price is respecting the discount area, So we are expecting, we are trading from the external liquidity to the internal liquidity to then continue lower all the way potentially down here, and down here. Okay, so we are looking for some retracement first. Okay, let me share with this. So I'm going to be short-term bearish on this. Sorry, short-term bullish on this. Okay, moving on next on gold. Okay, this is a little bit more interesting. Okay, I know gold has been mad. How the price reacting off here. We did mention before on the previous week, we did mention that the price could just react from here. Friday, Monday, yes, the price could just break the high itself and continuing higher. Okay, but the price did one things that made me concerned, which is I'm going to have a bias or bearish. The reason being why, from the weekly time frame perspective, right, we have this equal high sweep, okay, then the previous swing high sweep, and then break the low that created this, manipulated to this high. So the price respected this fair value gap and then continuing lower. So where is the next fair value area I'm looking for? Going to be this to continue lower. Okay, so this is the thing that I'm going to be looking at. Hopefully it doesn't met this previous monthly low, because where all the bullish leg from here, right? um I wish this will be the protected low, otherwise it's going to be continuing lower only. Okay, so I expecting this ultimate swing low will be the large target, so I hope we can see that. Okay, other than that, we are going to just leave it at it is. I'm going to share this as short-term bearish, and yeah, the rest of it is going to be leave it at it is. Okay, this could be just nice. Okay, so moving on next is the most trickiest. Give me a second. and this. Okay, as usual, let me start from monthly time frame because the monthly just ended. So we have this monthly fair value gap. Okay, this monthly target definitely is a bullish one, no doubt. I think we have a SMT right here. Can't really see anything from the daily time frame as well. What I can see is only just bearish after sweeping this high. This could be a SMT. Okay, so shorting. so let me write this out. Okay, so I would like to explain on the euro and the pound. Okay, so from 4 hour time frame on the euro, right? We saw the price did not take out the uh, monthly drawn liquidity. However, the on the pounds did take out the monthly. Um, okay, okay, excuse me. So on the pound, we did take out sweep the previous monthly high, and then we are expecting a continuation lower right here after taking out the previous monthly high, and then it shows SMT, which means smart money technique, a very strong reversal confirmation from here. After taking it out, break the swing low. This one also break the swing low, and and we are looking for this target to taken out and then retrace into the premium levels, then continuing lower until it hit the monthly fair value gap. So we might face some resistance on the pounds right here. Because on the euro we don't have any what they call the resistance like the higher time frame fair value gap from the weekly time frame, but however the pounds have the weekly fair value gap as a resistance. So which one is more favorable to short it? I would say the euro. Okay, so this is my take for the euro USD and the GBP USD. So if you are looking for long, no doubt definitely go for pounds. If you are shorting for it, definitely short the euro. Okay, so moving on, next will be the New Zealand dollar and Australian dollar. Remove all the drawings as usual from monthly time frame. Did we take it out on this? Yes, we did. Okay, this we have been taken out from monthly time frame. Yes, we are also taking it out as usual. This monthly fair value gap, monthly fair value gap, which is quite a long time ago. Both have been taken out. Let's check on the weekly time frame. Okay, has an obvious shown. I think is this a equal high? Correct. Okay, this is a equal high to me. Just how many pips away? Just less. It's just 1 pips away, I would say. And this we have this, well, 50 pips away. So relatively the New Zealand dollar has been stronger compared to the Australian dollar. Okay, so since we taken out for both this high, the next is going to be this low to be taken out and this low to be taken out. The reason being is because I think this low, yes, these low are going to be marked as the drawn liquidity to for before continuing higher. Drawn liquidity. Okay, let's deep dive a bit so you guys can see it clearer. Okay, so what we can see is the price tap into this drawn liquidity high and then tap and rejected quite strongly. I would say this is the previous. Oh, wait. Yes, this is a previous month high. Then we have these both drawn liquidity. Okay, we have this sweep. Could it be a break? I will need to drop down. Nothing too much on the daily time frame. Okay, a clean break from here. The previous low that created this high. Sweep, break, continue lower. I would say expecting this low. Break, continuing lower. This one as well. So same thing. A break, trace, and continuing lower. This is going to be my take. Okay, so this is the AUD USD. previous monthly high. Rejected. Okay, a simple breakdown from the Aussie and the New Zealand dollar. The reason being, I will be preferred to short the Australian dollar, same as the euro. Reason being is the price did sweep, even though the price, both of price has swept the previous monthly high as drawn liquidity. But what do we see right here? The expansion of it. Um, the New Zealand dollar has so much volume on expanding higher compared to the Australian dollar. So I would say if you are shorting comparing to these two, the Australian dollar is so much I would say weaker compared to the New Zealand dollar. But in terms of cleaner, I would say the New Zealand dollar has a cleaner price action right here. But I would what interests me is gold, gold, the euro. The rest of it, I don't think I am interested that much, to be honest. Okay, so wait, let me share this first. Okay, so I have already explained all of the majors that how possibly it could run out. Okay, let me have some time with NQ first. Okay, it is pretty strong holding from NQ. We'd love to see this range to be tapped. If this flip bearish, is going to be nasty. Okay, let's see for the first 4 hours. Could it break this high or not? Manipulation to this low. Let me see this 15 minutes. So the session will start. Wait. Okay. So from 9:30, that's consolidation. Manipulation. Flip bearish. Continue lower. At this point, 14 level right here. Attention is I think that's pretty much it. Nothing too special. It's still in a range between this high and this high, this high and low. Okay, so have a look on crypto. Okay, we're facing some sort of resistance right here due to the daily time frame from here. 4-hour time frame. Nothing much, is still in a range. Looking to break off this high and this low range. On ETH, yeah, about the same. Okay, we're looking for some expansion from here. We have this previous month low tapped and continuing higher. On ADA, we have this previous month low tap as well, and then we have this inverse fair value gap reacting very nicely. We are looking for an expansion to break off this high as well. And AVAX, yes, we have this. I believe this is the previous month low too. Yeah, the price reacted very well. Previous month low, and most likely we are going to react another high right here, previous month high. Okay, we are seeing this range. For crypto wise, personally, I just holding some spots according to this highlighted. If you guys are interested, you can ask me personally. Okay, and we have this inverse fair value gap right here from daily time frame. The daily candle is flipping bullish after manipulating the low itself, and then we are looking for bullish reaction right here to break off, continuing higher. So on the monthly time frame on SWI, we are going to see a previous month low swept and targeting this previous monthly high. Okay, the rest of it, I think nothing much to say. It's going to be the same thing from the internal range of liquidity to the external range of liquidity. Expecting the price could just pump up all the way up here, taking out all the liquidity down here. If you guys are a trend line trader, whatever, you will see the price is also breaking out of the range too. TRX. TRX is a very interesting one. The reason being is we are actually expanding off towards the another all-time high. Literally, we have like no resistance from here. So from here, we have this high as the first resistance. The rest of it, I don't think is nothing so much in here in this range. So it could just, once the price holding at this range, did some manipulation right here and then expanding off towards the all-time high again. So wherever you buy from here, it could just flip another, just double whatever you bought from here. So you see this one we have 44 cents, this one we have 25 cents, double of it about 50 cents, but it's almost double your spot value. So but majority will be taking out here at least 50%, 60%. Maybe we will just let the remaining of it just let it run. Okay, previous, going as planned, going as planned, very well. Looking this previous month high to be taken out. On ETH, yes, I would say, even though there is a weekly fair value gap right below right here, I would still be positive looking into buys, at least this high, and yeah, these two highs that we are looking for. Then potentially it could have some manipulation events tap into this weekly fair value gap and then just flip all the way up again. Okay, this is what I see on the crypto, and I hope everyone just trade safe and have a good night. Bye bye.